Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a 5 looks 1 palette type of video using 2 different eyeshadow palettes from the Disney Frozen 2 x Colourpop Cosmetics collaboration using the Anna palette and the Elsa palette. So 5 looks using the Anna palette and 5 looks using the Elsa palette. So 10 looks in total, which is going to be a very long video, but I hope you enjoy it anyways. This is what the Anna one looks like, and then this is what the Elsa one looks like. So yeah, I show you 5 different looks for each palette. They retail for $15 each, and they are limited edition, so if you really want them, then cop them right now. And yeah, so I'm going to show you different kind of looks I did using this palette. One of the looks that I'm wearing right now is from the Anna palette, so if you want to know how I did this look, then please keep on watching. I will let you know that because I'm doing so many different eye makeup looks, my base makeup might look a little wonky towards the end because obviously I'm applying eyeshadow and then taking just the eyeshadow off, so the perimeter of around my eyes might get a little wonky throughout the video. So but pay no mind to that. But yeah, also I'm going to be using, for some of the looks, I'm going to be using the lipsticks that come with the collection. This is the Anna one that looks like this. It's more of like a brown terracotta nude, and it's called Going North. And then the Elsa one, which is very like a berry raspberry type of shade, and this is called Little Snow. So yeah, I used both of these lipsticks in the video. So yeah, before we get on with the video, don't forget to subscribe and push that bell notification to notify you whenever I upload a new video. And if you want to follow me on any other social medias, I will have that floating somewhere on the screen, as well as linked down below in the description box. So without further ado, let's get on with the video.
Take your phone, or you should hide it in your pockets until you get home. Don't wanna see no tweets about the night we shared. Don't wanna hear reasons for it, baby, I don't care. You and I both know I'm not just anybody, and I regret bringing your ass to all those after parties. You enjoyed yourself too much and you ain't barely started. I just can't invest in shit to end up broken hearted. You say take pictures just to show them to your bitches, so you can make them jealous. Now I know where you're headed. Man, you stay taking those pictures just to show them to your bitches, so you can make them jealous. So now I gotta dead this. So low-key, I just stay out the way. I built a lab up in the crib so I don't leave all day. You always try to rush out when I need you to stay, but don't forget to post a pic of you with your bae. And by the way, I see right through.
She never calls us late at night, no. But I can tell you've been drinking all night long. He sounds upset, I'm asking, baby, where you at? I called you earlier, but you ain't hit me. Yeah. Stop breaking down, I'm about to lose it. I'm screaming, who the fuck were you with? I grabbed my keys, you better tell me where you at. She says she fucked up, but there's no taking it. Yeah. I gave everything to you. This is what you turn around and do. Did he have everything you wanted for you to go and break your promise? secret you've been hiding? I wanna know. Just how long have you been lying? It doesn't fucking like I did, but I bet he won't love you. He won't love you like me. He won't love you like me, baby. He won't teach you like me. He won't fuck you like me, baby. He won't fuck you like me. He won't love you like me, baby. He won't love you like me. He won't love you like me. I'm going under, and this time I feel there's no one to save me. This all or nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy.
All that you got now, like you want me 'cause I'm high now. So faded, I'm on one. Bang bang, pop up like a long gun. If you ain't making, you ain't making no noise. Get ready to turn up with the big boys. Live fast, die young, that's my choice. Get money like an invoice. Make the money, make the grip. I be stunning with my click. Get it faded till we trip. Man, I love to get on. I love to get to one. Get it faded, turn up, rap, pull it on up till I can never take no. Hopefully I don't leave you on your own.
Nobody gonna love me better. I'm gonna stick with you forever. Nobody gonna take me higher. I'm gonna stick with you. Yeah, you know how to appreciate me. I'ma stick with you, my baby. Nobody ever made me feel this way. I'ma stick with you. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Pants too long for a brother so cheap. And your flex so D and your sex so D. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it. You the only one I'm tryna make love to. Picking and choosing. They really love you, running games using. All your stupid exes, they gon' call again. Go tell them that a real Modi stepping in. Don't let them Aussies try you. Test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Fuck around, give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay. Little baby in a bag in her Birkin. No, not a fuck, put the work in. Flaws and all, I love them all. To me, you're perfect. Baby, you got it, girl. You got it, girl. Hey. You got it, girl. You got it. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Fuck around, give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay. 'Cause baby, I don't wanna go another day. So I'm
Edge of the earth, scream your name till the fire's gone. My lungs, one drink till I don't feel the urge. So run back to you and lay it down. Make me yours. I can still feel your breath all over me, feeling me. I could fuck with you for eternity, infinity.
There's always that one person that will always have your heart. You'll never see it coming 'cause you're blinded from the start. You're that one for me. It's clear for everyone to see. Oh baby, you will always be feelings so deep in my feelings. No, this ain't really like me. Can't control my anxiety. Feelings like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Girl, you do something to me. Ooh, now I'll never get over you until I find something new to get me high like you do. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, I'll never get over you until I find. Listen to my heart go. Bada, boot up, bitty da, boot up. Yeah, my heart go. Bada, boot up, bitty da. It just won't stop, it go. Bada, boot up, bitty da, boot up. Yeah, my heart go. Bada, boot up, bitty da. It just won't stop, it goes. Oh, how many ways can I say that I need you, baby? It's true. I think I might die without you. Do you remember, girl? I was the one that gave you your first kiss. Cause I remember, girl, I was the one who said put your lips like this. Even before all the famous people screaming your name. Girl, I was there, and you were my baby. Started when we were younger, you were mine. And now another brother's taking over, but it's still in your eyes. And even though we used to argue, it's so right. I know we haven't.
I'm sorry if I seem uninterested, or I'm not listening, or I'm indifferent. Truly, I ain't got no business here, but since my friends are here, I just came to kick it. But really, I would rather be at home all by myself, not in this room with people who don't even care about my well-being. I don't dance, don't ask, I don't need a boyfriend, so you can't go back. Please enjoy your party, I'll be here somewhere in the corner under clouds of marijuana with this boy who's hollering I can hardly hear. Over this music I don't listen to, and I don't wanna get with you, so tell my friends that I'll be over here. Oh, here, oh, here, oh, I ask myself, what am I doing here? Oh, here.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the looks that I created using both of these palettes. I think they performed very well. So if you really like Frozen, or if you just really like the color schemes of any of these palettes, I think they are definitely a wonderful palette to get. And they're only $15 each, so I would definitely recommend both of them. And also, I would also love to recommend the lipsticks. They're very creamy and opaque. The one that I'm wearing right now, as you saw in the video, is the Anna one, and it's like a terracotta brown shade, and it looks really good, and I love it for the fall season. But yeah, if you guys like any of the looks, please let me know down below in the comment section. And if you recreate any of the looks and post them on Instagram, I would love to see them, so please tag me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye!